All right, we are out front of 60 Dolphin Drive. Nice big lot, tons and tons of parking. I'm gonna do a little 360 view of the neighborhood. Right behind that blue house is the Intracoastal downtown. So again, 60 Dolphin Drive, newer roof, 2-car garage. I love how much parking there is. It's great for rentals. Let's go on inside. I'm gonna give you a little view of the street from the front door, really take it in. Great curb appeal, well manicured. Walk inside the house. Nice open, tons of glass. I mean, you'll see the outside, it's gorgeous, but lots of natural light. So the bedrooms are gonna be off to the left, which we'll go to first, and then the kitchen's gonna be off to the right, which will end up to go outside. But I'll stand back here, kind of give you reference of the layout. So we are gonna go to bedroom 1. I think this is kind of functions as the master. Nice and spacious. Bathroom's original, but it looks really cool actually. Big stand-in shower. I love this shower. Closes off. It's massive. It's kind of hard to tell from the video, but floors look good. See what this closet space looks like. Wow, great closet space actually. I mean, there's tons of stuff in here, but it's deep. It's a good closet space, good for storage. Another closet. Again, lots of stuff, but it's great space. We're gonna go back into the second bedroom now. Nice size. Looks like it functions mostly as a home office. Lots of sliders, impact glass, which is great. Ensuite bathroom, it's really nice. Okay, so this is great too, because it's got access to the outside. So we just saw the 2 bedrooms. Again, here is the main living room. I'm gonna go across, check out the kitchen. Kitchen's really nice.
I'm gonna change places with you.
You're good.
Come on, Meg.
Here's the main dining room. Happy dog. Super functional. Step into the kitchen. Appliances look great. Backsplash is beautiful.
Hey Siri, call Pam this out.
Okay, we're gonna step outside. Get some pups with us. I'll show you the garage. I mean, it's got a bunch of stuff in it, but it's a good sized garage. Your washer dryer's out here. And then obviously the best part of the house is the backyard. You've got a half bath outside too, which is great. So the pool area is just, I mean, this is just a dynamite location. Again, massive lot, tons and tons and tons of space. Take you back here. I mean, this is one of the nicest backyards I've ever seen. It's incredible. This little pergola here. And there you have it, 60 Dolphin Drive.